G'day guys, this is a 2019 B Class, but you're pretty much going to see this on a lot of different Mercedes, I think. It's going to be a crude video of how to replace the battery, which you wouldn't expect there to be a video about that, but there needs to be one about this. So you slide this cover forward. Loosen this bolt, take this out, take this off, disconnect this, okay, and remove this cover, slide this back and remove it all the way out, then push down here to remove this plug. Now for this a pyrotechnic device, I'd suggest that this is for a rollover or a collision to cut the power to the car. To undo, it's actually the other way around. Okay, to undo it, use your fingernails to pull back on this orange all the way back. That's closed, and I'll open it later. Remove this device. Put it here. Remove this. Remove this. Remove that number 8mm in there. Then this is a circuit breaker box, a fuses or whatever, I'd say for the electric steering or whatever. Swing it out of the way. Note when you reinstall that you don't want to be wrapping the wires around each other, right? So this is all going to swing out of the way. Now this cover, I'm assuming it has to be removed. I'm definitely removing it, and I'm going to show you the way I did it. So when the cover's in place, these two tabs are right down here, right? Get a ring like that and pull out on them. I couldn't do it with my fingers. If you can, good luck. Okay, if there's another way of doing it, which there isn't, you can see there, they're very secure. Pull it out, undo the bolt that holds this strut. Now, this is made to bend slightly, and that's the reason I removed that as well. Because I was thinking of, doing this. I don't know if Mercedes removed that cover. It shouldn't be necessary to remove this cover because it's not really designed to remove because of these hidden things here, but it's just going to give me what I need to swing the battery out of the way. And that's it. See here, 300, 200, probably steering or something. And I will not remove the battery with one arm. That's basically it. Hope that helps.